Welcome! If you're looking to stop those random miscellaneous notifications from Gmail on your phone, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can finally enjoy a cleaner, more peaceful notification panel without being interrupted by alerts you don't care about. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings menu. This is where you can control how every app interacts with your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Swipe through the list or use the search bar and tap on Gmail. This takes you to the options specific to the Gmail app. Inside, find and tap on Notifications. This section handles all the different types of notifications Gmail can send you. Now, look for a menu called Notification Categories. Tap into it, and you'll see the different categories Gmail uses for notifications, like Mail, Meet, and the one we're focused on, Miscellaneous. Under Miscellaneous, you'll see the option labeled Allow Notifications. This is the toggle that controls those irregular, often distracting alerts that aren't related to regular emails or meetings. Simply switch the Allow Notifications toggle to the off position. You're all set. Miscellaneous notifications from Gmail will no longer appear, leaving only the notifications you actually want and need. Taking a few moments to adjust these settings not only cuts down on interruptions, but also helps your phone run smoother and your day feel less cluttered. If you ever want to turn miscellaneous notifications back on, just repeat these steps in reverse and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your notification-free experience, and don't forget to check out other tips so your phone works just how you want it to.